Budapest and beyond! If you turn a corner on Práter Street in Budapest, and you find you are suddenly confronted by bullies, you might have just walked into a much-loved art installation. The bronze sculpture, created in 2006 by Péter Szanyiwas, was inspired by a Hungarian young adult novel by Ferenc Molnár, A Pál Utcai Fiúk, The Páter Street Boys. The novel is about schoolboys in Budapest in 1889. The Páter Street Boys spend their free time at a vacant lot that they consider their home turf. When another gang of boys attempt to take over their turf, the Páter Street Boys are forced to fight and defend themselves. The Páter Street Boys win the war, with one of the smallest in their group repeatedly demonstrating that his bravery and loyalty surpasses his size. The novel, written in 1906, is a satire on European nationalism, and it ranks among the most famous books ever written in Hungary. Visit the world of Hungarian literature, alive and on the streets of Budapest. But look out for bullies.